Digital marketing is an essential factor for growth for any business today. The fact is that even if you don't do business online, your competitors and potential customers do. Whatever sector of business you're into, you need to reach out to your potential customers and let them know that you exist and why they should consider doing business with you. And the best place to reach out to them is where they spend much of their time, and that's online. Hello everyone, I'm Bernard Igwe, and today I'm going to show you how digital marketing can help your business grow. Before we get started, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the alert notification below so you'll get notified when more videos like this come out. Alright, let's get started. Number 1, expand your market reach. Digital marketing through your website, social media, emails, and other online mediums enables you to communicate instantly with a worldwide audience. No other form of marketing or advertising gives you a global reach and at no extra cost to your marketing budget. Digital marketing will help you expand to new areas without any geographical hurdles. Number 2, cost effectiveness. Most businesses, especially startups and SMEs, don't have a big amount to spend on marketing. Still, the objective is to reach maximum people with the lowest possible cost. A one-time TV advert of 60 seconds can cost you up to 50,000 naira or more. That's $140 and above, depending on the time it's shown during the day. A small business doesn't have the amount of money. Even the print ads and billboards cost a lot. While on the other hand, digital ads can reach a targeted audience at a much lower cost. 40% of businesses claim that they are getting considerable savings by using digital marketing methods to promote their products and services. With digital marketing, you can spend as much as you want and you are in full control of your budget. Businesses spending on digital marketing get better cost per lead compared to other marketing channels. Number 3, measurable analytics. Apart from cost effectiveness, this is the best advantage of digital marketing. You can actually see which channel gave you what amount of sales, unlike traditional marketing. Traditional marketing is sometimes shooting in the dark if you don't measure which channel is giving you the best ROI. Digital marketing helps to measure every click and helps in identifying user behavior and buying patterns. It also helps to give detailed insight about your target audience so that you can make targeted ads. The amount of data which you can gather with the help of digital marketing is invaluable. Number 4, higher revenue. Digital marketing helps to generate higher revenue compared to traditional marketing channels. Small and medium enterprises using digital marketing techniques will have 3.3 times better chances of expanding their business. According to Google, companies using digital marketing strategies have 2.8 times better revenue growth expectancy. Number 5, targeted audience. For example, if you want to target women aged 24 to 26 who is interested in fashion jewelry, living in Lagos, and newly engaged, you can precisely target her. This is the beauty of digital marketing. You can precisely target the people you want. Digital marketing facilitates marketing in real time. This means that your offers and marketing message can be changed based on actions taken by people. You can customize offers in real time and offer people exactly what they want. This will not only increase customer satisfaction but also bring additional revenue to your business. Digital marketing brings a steady flow of targeted traffic of people who convert into leads and sales. With traditional marketing, you can't target your customers as precisely as digital marketing. Number 6, build stronger relationships. As well as attracting new customers, digital marketing can help you build a stronger relationship with your existing customer or client base. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram allow you to directly engage with your customers, making a personal connection that is invaluable when developing brand loyalty. And last but not least, analyze data. Digital marketing is not only a way to tell clients or customers about your business, but it is also a way to find out what they are looking for. This can be done directly via online or email surveys, or by encouraging them to review your products, or indirectly by analyzing their spending habits, age range, average income, geographical location, and so on. A few basic facts such as this can provide a wealth of valuable information that you can use to improve their experience and ultimately help your business grow. In conclusion, conclusion, digital marketing helps your business make use of techniques and strategies that will not only attract more leads to your business, but quality leads that will engage and convert more. I'm not devaluing traditional marketing, it is important, but small and medium businesses should start adopting digital marketing as well. Going digital will bring higher revenue and growth. Marketing is all about targeting the right people with the right message, and digital marketing helps you do that efficiently. Alright, do you need help growing your business? Do you need help getting more customers and increasing your sales? If yes, then check out my digital agency, Shelfview Technologies, at shelfviewtech.com. We provide web design and digital marketing services that can help you attain the level of growth you need to maximize profit and meet your goals. Do contact us if you're ready to grow your business. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and comment below. Thank you for watching.